Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm with my custom Ripsaw on 2S. We got some snow. Let's give it a rip. Oh, I need more steering on this sucker. There we go. See if we can make it up the hill here. Oh, oh, need more steering still. Turn up the rate. Oh. Slipping. I got ice in the track. Something's going on here. Let's see something, guys. I think I need to add more steering. See how this goes. Is that on 100? Yeah. I don't have it prepared for in snow. Yep, I don't have it turning quite enough. Something's weird with it. Oh. Maybe because I brought it out and I was in a hot house. It's kind of deep for this thing. God, we got the abandoned quarry in the backyard. They're done, they're filling it up. They're making so much noise, banging something. You hear it in the background. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I needed to. I don't think I'm sinking. Oh. Now I want to see if I can make it up this hill. Oh, I'm sinking. Oh, I see what's happening. My tracks are got ice in the back on the cog. And they're not engaged. They're not engaged. The track little things on there, the tread triangles. It's icing up. You see it in there? And that's not letting the track go in the groove. Because it's really cold. It's like 25. Yeah, that's why I'm not getting up this hill, but I'm gonna try. Nope. You see the track's not moving. Too frigid. Too frigid for this beauty. Oh well, I tried. Maybe I'll get the squash fan out here and see how that goes. Yeah, I'm gonna get this Tamiya squash fan out here and see how it goes in the powdery snow. I tried with this beauty. Guys, if you like this thing, custom beauty of mine, thanks. I appreciate you all watching. This didn't work out too good. Impacted frozen ice. The treads don't go in the pulley wheel, and it just doesn't go. Well guys, thanks, and I'll see you next time.